Marlo, Brian.
Hello.
Okay, Michael. And Joseph Marco.
Hey guys, what's up? Ayun na muna. Ayun na muna.
One for push lang.
Okay, we can now start asking questions po sa mga boys about the concert. Flow. Yes, Flow. Ayan. Pwede na po tayo mag-start.
Ay, ako po.
Hindi kahit pwede.
Ay, sino po?
Yung sa concert, ano yung offer nyo na kakaiba or something kakakiligin talaga ng mga kasi kilig eh, di ba? All boys. Ano yung pinaka-offer nyo na talagang kakakiligan ng mga
Actually, marami po kami surprises kasi never pa kami nag-perform ng cover songs. So may mga cover songs kaming ikakantayan and syempre mga solo songs namin. At syempre marami pang iba and may mga upcoming guests and special guests pa kami na i-re-reveal for the concert.
guys? How?
Sorry, pwede na bang i-reveal yung guest? Kahit konti?
We can reveal,
Yeah, may na-reveal
yeah,
naman.
ano, we have
Actually, iba pala yung na-reveal it.
Okay.
yeah, Janela Salvador, Pepe Dos
By
Santos, Casey Tandingan,
Alex
Morset,
Gonzaga.
Alex Gonzaga. Yun. Those 5 so far are the only ones that have been revealed. Yung iba, surprise guest na.
Please. Question. Is this your first ever concert experience talaga or nag-perform na kayo for other
As a
concerts?
group, this is our first time.
Pero nag-open na kami sa
For
iba.
other concerts, yes, pero this is our first.
Yeah, nag-opening act na kami with KZ Tandingan concert and
Boyzone.
Boyzone.
And Daniel Padilla.
Ganyan pa din. Pero yung first, this is our first major concert as Harana talaga, yung concert talaga ng Harana.
As a group, yes.
Ito yung first.
Original songs ba yung isa? Kakantahin niyo dito lahat? Or meron ding hindi original?
Meron din
May
po
mga
kaming
covers kami. Meron kami, gagawa kami ng mga
Meron din
covers.
kaming mga OPMs
Yeah.
na may version po kaming ginawa para sa lahat ng
mga songs na.
Yes.
ikakantahin namin for concert.
What's yung expectations nyo ngayon na first concert nyo? Kumbaga, what's going into your head tungkol sa concert nyo? And paano, nagkaroon ba kayo ng time na magbigay ng input sa flow, sa program, sa songs, ganyan?
Yes, actually we met a few times na about yung flow ng concert, selection of songs. They allowed us the freedom, especially yung mga solo prods namin, to choose kung anong gusto namin kantahin. So, yeah, we were very involved naman sa selection of songs.
Expectations actually, ano ba, hindi ko alam kung ano i-expect kasi first time namin talaga na mag-gather ng people to buy our tickets para panoorin kami. So hindi namin alam kung napupuno ba namin or ano. Pero syempre we're hoping for the best na maganda yung kalabasan ng concert namin. Actually wala naman talaga kami expectation kasi talagang we're looking forward for the concert and sobrang nag-enjoy na kami and we're confident enough na talagang mabibigay namin yung best namin. So may mga rehearsals kaming darating kaya ibibigay talaga namin yung best namin for that.
How does it feel working together since you mentioned na ngayon lang naman kayo mag-work or to perform together on stage?
The best! With the boys, sobrang saya nila kasama.
Actually, sa concert po kasi medyo kailangan, di ba, pag concert maraming mga songs na cover, mga songs namin. Pero kung makipag-trabaho po kami sa isa't isa,